What if I told you some cars cost more than private jets? Not 1 million, not 2, over $5 million. And the number one hypercar on this list makes even billionaires nervous. Let's begin. Number 10, Pagani Huayra Codalunga. Starting at over $7 million. Hand-built in Italy. Long-tail design inspired by 1960s race cars. Twin-turbo V12, over 800 horsepower. Only a handful were ever made. This isn't just rare, it's automotive art. Number 9, SP Automotive Chaos. A Greek hypercar claiming over 2,000 horsepower. Carbon Kevlar body, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Price, over $6 million. Whether myth or monster, it shocked the world. Number 8, Bugatti Divo. More aggressive than the Chiron. Limited to just 40 units. 1,500 horsepower. Extreme aerodynamic redesign. Over $5.8 million. Built for corners and collectors. Number 7, Pagani Imola. Track-focused insanity. 840 horsepower V12. Only 5 units made. Price, around $5.4 million. It looks like it escaped from Le Mans. Number 6, Bugatti Mistral. The final W16 Roadster. 1,600 horsepower. Open-top speed legend. Over $5 million and completely sold out. This is the end of an era. Number 5, Koenigsegg CC850. A tribute to the legendary CC8S. Manual and automatic transmission system. 1,385 horsepower. Over $5 million. Retro design, future technology. Number 4, Bugatti Bolide. Ultra-lightweight track-only weapon. 1,600 horsepower. Around $5 million. This car doesn't drive, it attacks. Number 3, Bugatti Tourbillon. A brand new era. Naturally aspirated V16 hybrid. Almost 1,800 horsepower. Over $5 million. Luxury, engineering, perfection. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Droptail. Ultra-luxury coach-built masterpiece. Custom-built for specific billionaires. Estimated over $30 million. This isn't a car, it's a moving piece of royalty. Number 1, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. One car, one owner, over $18 million. Quad-turbo W16, 1,500 horsepower. This hypercar didn't just break records, it redefined exclusivity. So tell me, if money wasn't a problem, which one would you choose? Comment below. And if you love hypercars, billionaire machines, and the most expensive cars on Earth, like this video, subscribe, and join the elite. Because here, we don't talk about normal cars, we talk about legends.